guys, once again welcome back to my channel. I am Abhishek Patangay and today I am here to review this facelift 2021 MG Hector. It comes with both petrol and diesel engine options and it gets with four variants. One is the style, super, smart and sharp. Price for the petrol base variant starts from 17 lakhs 38,000 and it goes all the way up to 21 lakh 62,000 and the diesel base variant comes for 17 lakhs 35,000 and it goes all the way up to 22 lakhs 21,000. This is the on-road price in the Hyderabad. This is the key. This side we have MG logo and this is to lock, unlock and this is to open the boot. Let's get straight into the car. You can see this looks very huge and front here we get this grill which is kind of a Mercedes grill which is upgraded and this is the MG logo. Below down here we have 360-degree camera and these are the projector lights. Below down here we have LED fog lamps and if you can see here we have MG badging over here and let me show you. These are the DRLs and it doubles up like indicators and these are the massive tires. These are the diamond cut alloys with the tire size of 215, 55 or 18 inches. In the older one, the pre-facelift one, it gets with 17 inches tires and it gets with disc brake in the front and this is how it looks from this side. And these are the ORVMs with the indicators on it and below down here if you can see we have 360-degree camera and Morris Garage badging over here and these are the rear tires. It gets with disc brake in the rear also and we get request sensors on the door and door handles are finished in chrome and this is also finished in chrome. This is the fuel lid and we get this chrome all around and in the back this is the back look and here down here we get a exhaust pipe and these are the LED lights over here and above over here let me turn on the lights. These are the lights. In the pre-facelift model these two lights were connected but now here it's finished in gloss black. The tail lights are not connected and these are the LED indicators and these are the rear lights. Hector written over here and these are the rear parking sensors and rear parking camera is over here. MG badging over here, internet inside and this is the rear washer and in the back we have shark fin antenna and these are the roof rails which are functional and now let's get inside. Let's see the boot first. This is the boot and these lights are looking very good, that they are doing a swipe outside and now let's open the boot. And this is how the boot is. The loading lip is not very deep but the height of the boot is a bit height and this is the partial tray. We can extend and keep however accordingly and below down here we have some space and here is some tools and on the right we have light Let's close the boot. Let's get inside, unlock, and this is unlock. We get request sensors on the both side, and this is the door. Here we have power windows, and this is to lock and unlock, and this is the door opener, and this is finished in soft touch material, and here we have 1 liter bottle holders, and let's get inside. uh, these are the power windows. It gets with one touch roll up function only for the driver side. On the co-driver side there is not one touch down and up button, and we get infinity speakers. We get 4 tweeters and 4 speakers, 1 subwoofer and 1 amplifier, and these are the buttons to adjust the ORVMs, and here we have headlight leveler, and this is the button to open the boot. This is the steering wheel. We get on the left we get controls to set the cruise control, and on the right we get controls to toggle through the instrument cluster, and we even have the voice assist.
I'm here.
मुझे गर्मी लग रही है.
It's 17 degrees and it can't go any cooler. Hi, how can I help?
Turn on the AC.
Climate control is on. I'm listening.
मुझे ठंड लग रही है.
Okay, temperature is raised to 18 degrees.
So we have let's turn on the AC first, because it makes noise of it would be really good if we get physical buttons. It's very confusing in this touch screen, and as I said we have voice assist. It will work in both Hindi and English, which is a good thing, and we get this flat bottom steering, and I forgot to show you. Let's open the door, and the seat gets with electric adjust. As you can see, the seat gets with electric adjust, and here is some space to keep your bottles, and this is the wireless charger, and this is the gear knob. Armrest. In the armrest we have good enough space, and a 12-volt charging socket over here, and this is the handbrake, and this is the infotainment system. Let's close the door. Infotainment system. In the infotainment system it's showing time, all those things, and this is the music. Nothing is connected, so it's not going to play. I'll make you listen in that in a bit. And here we have calls, we can call, and here we have navigation. It gets with pre-downloaded maps in it.
You will arrive at your destination at 11:55 p.m.
And this is the map, and where is the back button? Where is the back button? Back button, back button. This is the difficult part. You have to really concentrate on the screen, and this is the home button. These are the AC controls, and in this we have settings. In settings we have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, volume, display, brightness, all those. This display is bright enough, you can easily read it in harsh daylight, and AC is very effective, and here we have button to traction control. This is the hazard light button, and on the co-driver side also we get the electric adjust for the seat, and here we have airbags, and AC vents have this chrome finish around it, and this is the glove box, which is not very big enough, and here we have soft touch material, and this is the instrument cluster. On the left we have speed, and on the right we have tachometer. Here we have 360 view camera button, and this is how it looks. The clarity of the camera is not very good, and this is the mirror, and steering gets with adjust. It gets with reach, rig, and height adjust on the steering, and this is on the driver side we have light and a mirror, and on the co-driver side we have light and a mirror. Here we have hook and handle to hold. These are the lights, LED lights, and this is to open the sun blind, and here there is some space even to pass the air, and let's open the sunroof. The sunroof is very massive, and this is how much it opens. That is the button to open further. It even gets with ventilated seats. This is the button to activate the ventilated seats, and I can feel the ventilated seats working, which is a very good feature. Air is coming through these small holes, and let's go in the rear seat. And this is the rear seat. Same infinity speakers, and this is to open the door, power window, and soft touch material, 1 liter bottle holder, and this gets with this this is how we have to open the boot, access the boot, and we can even put it back, but it's a very big task to put it back. Yes, and let's get inside. Here we get MG branding, and let's get inside. The legroom is very good enough, and under thigh support is not very good, and headroom is also very good. Here we have light and handle and hook to hold. Let's close the door, and the seats are very comfortable, and this is the armrest with twin cup holders, and these are the rear AC vents, and down here we have 5 volt USB charging socket. This is the USB charging socket, and there is some space to keep this stuff, and in between there is no hump. Easily 3 people can sit in the middle row, and 3 seat belts, which is a good thing, and we have this 3 headrests also, and this is how it looks from behind. This is the audio test.
'cause I'm a fool for your love.